Imagine the mundane chore of laundry transformed into an effortless experience. A dance between powerful machines and their sturdy foundation. This is the promise of the Chinchilla black laundry machine stand. A marvel of engineering that elevates your washer and dryer to a new level of convenience and durability. Crafted from heavy-duty stainless steel, it stands like a silent sentinel, unwavering and strong, ready to bear the weight of your busiest days. The pedestal's sleek black finish is not merely aesthetic. It's a coat of armor against rust and wear, ensuring it remains as pristine as the day you unboxed it. With a height of 16 inches, it lifts your appliances to a comfortable level, so you no longer have to stoop or strain your back to transfer clothes. Furthermore, the universal design means it's not just for laundry. It can also support a mini fridge or other appliances, thereby becoming a versatile centerpiece in your utility room or garage. Indeed, this pedestal is more than a stand. It's a testament to thoughtful design, transitioning from a cluttered, low-lying setup to one that's organized and elevated can feel like stepping from the shadows into the light. This Chinchilla black laundry machine stand acts as the perfect bridge. Its adjustable feet a testament to its adaptability. They are like the hands of a master craftsman, meticulously leveling your appliances on any surface, whether it's an uneven basement floor or a tiled laundry room. Consequently, this prevents the jarring vibrations and noisy thumping that can disrupt a peaceful home. Moreover, the heavy-duty construction is designed to absorb and dampen the force of even the most vigorous spin cycles. In addition, the ample space underneath the pedestal is a treasure trove of possibilities. You can store laundry baskets, detergents, or other cleaning supplies, thus reclaiming valuable floor space. Therefore, this pedestal is not just a platform. It's a clever solution to common household challenges, offering both stability and smart storage. Ultimately, the decision to upgrade your laundry setup is an investment in both your home and your well-being. And the Chinchilla black laundry machine stand is a foundation you can trust. It's a small change that yields a massive return in comfort and efficiency. It stands resolute, a silent partner in your daily routine, because of its robust build and thoughtful features. All in all, this laundry pedestal is a paragon of strength and stability, turning a simple appliance into a statement of modern utility. Consequently, your back will thank you, and your laundry room will finally feel like a well-oiled machine. And so your life will be made just a little bit easier. Pros: very sturdy and heavy-duty, well-made, easy to set up, non-slip pads, works perfectly, easy to set up and very steady, great product and versatile, quality was better than expected. Excellent quality, very strong, easy to assemble, able to clean under them, no vibrating cons. Not tight enough. Screw strip, Costco won't install on it, difficult to lift a heavy washer features. Suitable for washers and dryers 16 inches in height, universal design, adjustable, can be used for fridges, comes in black, provides extra storage, reduces bending and lifting. The Chinchilla heavy-duty laundry pedestal is made of stainless steel. It is 16 inches tall and has a black finish. The universal design fits most washers and dryers. You can also use it as a stand for a fridge. The pedestal is adjustable to fit different appliance sizes. It helps you avoid bending and lifting. It also provides extra storage space under your machine. The Chinchilla heavy-duty laundry pedestal is a versatile and sturdy product that elevates your washer or dryer. The pedestal is praised for being well-made and having excellent quality, with users noting its strength and stability. It is also very easy to set up and assemble, and the non-slip pads prevent the machine from vibrating during use. Its 16-inch height allows for easy cleaning underneath and makes it easier to load and unload laundry. However, Some users have found it difficult to lift a heavy washer onto the pedestal, and one user reported that a screw stripped. It is also important to note that some retailers, like Costco, may not install appliances on these pedestals.